Coilovers.
Oh, fuck.
It's midnight.
Oh, dude.
We don't need a professional shop.
Oh, dude. No, I'm just gonna fucking use the goddamn ratchet.
How's it going, Nolan?
Use a ratchet.
We're going ratchet?
You owe me Arizona after this.
Oh, fuck, bro. Okay.
If my knee hits that goddamn caliper again.
You're twisting the right way, right?
Yeah.
We good.
How are we gonna get this out?
We got the washer.
Wait, that's a lock washer. Why is there lock washer?
Because it was behind it. Where's the nut? We got the washer.
Where the fuck is the nut?
We don't have the nut though.
I found it.
Okay. Okay.
It was locked onto the brakes, which is kind
Nut and washer acquired.
Oh Jesus!
It's coming off pretty well. Okay. We gotta keep our organization good.
Shout out Kellogg's,
Brother.
Rice Krispies.
I don't know how to rotate the camera.
Dude, when the fuck is this thing gonna come out?
Can we get this bolt off?
It's just spinning in place.
Yeah, pull it. There we go.
Nice.
Progress.
What? Okay, moving on, but what the fuck are you doing?
Breaker bar. Oh, perfect.
Why are there four? Skillius squirtus.
Look at this, unscrewing God right here. Oh shit, we're good. You should get underneath the car to catch the thing, because I think it might fall off the whole shock. You know,
It's a Coney, bro. We don't give a shit.
That's true.
Oh wait, did you disconnect? You didn't disconnect the brake lines.
Oh shit, we should probably do that.
Yeah, do that, because if it stretches, you're fucked.
Well, I just took off all
I
the
mean, these
bolts.
brakes are already ass. Like,
Look how big they are, though.
you can feel the edge on them. It's like,
But it's for a little 3D depth.
you need to get some Zimmerman, bro. Some German parts.
Actually,
set.
Bigger question is, how do you take this thing off?
Just give it a nipply twisty, bro.
You
Rip
gotta
that
take
edge.
this clip off.
That's a clip. Why the fuck is there a clip? It should just slide out. Oh, it's a safety clip. Oh, dude. Okay. You see that little hole? Stick a screwdriver in there and push it out.
You can do that?
You got like a tiny little flathead. Oh, dude, yeah. Okay. See that? Oh, great shot of that bloody knuckle there, buddy.
Thank you. I am strength. Oh, this shit about to fly out. There it goes.
Bro, you're about as strong as a Stretch Armstrong. What the fuck you mean, man?
Ooh.
Get the fuck out. Get the...
Oh!
You bad.
Way too close, bro. I'm too ugly for that shit.
Oh, while we were pulling the wheels off, by the way, the right side lugs are actually bigger than the left, which is, you know,
Perfect.
just rotary problems, because clearly everyone thinks that rotaries only
It's
have
because
these
of the
issues.
rotary, actually.
And there's NECs all over these fucking bitches too. Like, oh shit.
Okay. Another problem.
Oh, what the fuck did I just sit on? Shitty ass. Look at that. Jesus. These crusty control arms. Gross.
Fuck this jack, bro. $20 eBay jack.
Yeah, man, that's just how we do it the whole time. Just...
That's all you need. Okay, we may be at an issue.
I mean, all I know is this thing's not gonna drive for fucking weeks. I mean, we did that one already.
No, I think it's about time to stop recording so we can get this.
Oh, dude. Oh. What the fuck is it doing? Oh, yeah. What is it stuck on? I don't understand.
It's stuck on age. It's old. 1987, boys.
Dude. Where did it bleed? Oh shit, dude, it's stretching up here.
Shit.
Oh!
Nice,
Oh.
nice.
Oh!
this bitch out.
We out.
We out.
All right, cool.
I think we gotta support
Just
this.
let that thing.
No, because it's gonna stretch on that.
Okay. Use the old strut fucking. Oh, yeah. You watch.
But got some ghetto ass support. Oh, 100 IQ moves over here. Oh.
Smarter than
Oh,
Charles
shit.
Manson himself.
Oh wait, here we go. Look, this is how you do it.
Get it on that stud.
100 IQ moves. Bro.
Hire me, bro. Fucking hire. Take me to
We
SCTI.
are mechanics.
I will teach the class, bro.
See this?
I don't give a fuck.
Alright, we gotta do a comparison. No, we gotta take a comparison photo between this and the BCs.
There we go. Piece of shit. Yes. Man, cars gonna rattle so fucking much because the old interior is gonna be so cool.
This is good enough.
Bitch is going to slide.
Just wash my hands.
Going to slide. See that difference here?
Okay, no, this thing's dropped.
I told you it's gonna drop like 2 inches on this. That's 4. That's like 3. I don't even know.
Bruh! Oh shit.
We might have to do some camber adjustment. I don't think we can.
We're gonna have some rubbing issues. More like they're gonna be sitting on the wheels. Maybe we'll just pull off the.
Yeah, I like that. That's nice.
You know what we're gonna do?
Dude, these are metal to metal, aren't they?
Here's what we're gonna do, boy. We're gonna go max camber on this bitch, and then.
Oh, you're right. The front is top adjustment. Yeah, we'll be fine.
Just right.
Probably look like a fucking rooster. Oh, dude, it's so. Yeah, that's
4.5 inches.
Ghetto ass fucking measurement, bro.
It's about 4 inches.
Get that shit. It's like slanted too. There we go. Oh, it's 4.
It's 4.5. 4.5.
So bad.
I don't have that room.
Let's do it. Let's do it. The fucking diff is gonna smack the floor.
Dude, no. No, what's gonna happen? For the wheels are just gonna sit on the fenders. The
I mean, right now you got bus driver fitment, so I think we'll be okay. Should be.
Can I?
I mean, I can like, you know, Ellen DeGeneres fist this thing real quick.
Actually, holy shit! You fucking killed her, dude. So we're gonna drop the car on these thick ass tires, and this car's not gonna be able to turn its wheels without ripping itself up on the front fender. I'm gonna have to buy some skinnier tires.
I mean, at least we can get the car on the ground, and then just try to get it into the driveway.
All right, that's true.
This thing's for sale. It's got Dick's fitment in the rear, but the front's pretty good. So
It's lower.
just don't let anyone named Hyro drive your fucking car.
That's true.
Because I mean, they're XXRs, but we're gonna be honest.
Who's that guy?
They're rubbed out a little. They're a little bit Jimmy John. So.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, it's Joey.
It's like, oh, it's Joey. If you guys don't know Moist Boys, check them out. They're pretty fucking cool. This fucking light keeps turning. Oh, Jesus, we're fucked.
Oh.
Oh, it's just.
Don't hit the.
Oh, it's fantastic. But don't.
Kind of scared.
Let's just drop it in, man. We can always put the stock one back in if we need to.
This shit gonna be.
I mean, if we need to, we can put the stock one back in.
I'm not putting the stock one back in, bro. If I got to, I'm just getting new tires. We're going to the used tire lot. Yeah, if you can find some for sale.
Hardly ever. Goddamn Joey, bro.
It's okay, man.
Do it again.
Just leave him be. Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him.
If you're here, turn on the light. Fuck, man. I don't think Joey's here.
It flickered.
Oh. I just got chills, bro.
Oh, God.
Fuck. I don't know how to sit down right.
Yo. We should. If this. Oh. Wait. Fuck. Let me go like this. Oh.
Need washers, do we?
No, only for the bottom bolts.
Yeah, man. I mean, this is. If you guys are watching this right now, this is I'm probably gonna get like 2 views on it.
How to install coilovers on an FX7.
If you do it redneck as shit.
It's peeking through.
Oh. I'm gonna put
Get the other corner.
the corners, yeah.
There we go. We gotta look up the camera specs. Not the camera specs, the torque specs.
Yeah.
Oh, ow. My head.
I wish I got that. Look at this.
I want to count how many this is from hard. We got 1,
Fucking
2,
fantastic.
3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We good.
Shout out to Craftsman. You break a lot.
Shut up, we ain't sponsored.
What the fuck is that hammered? Oh, what is that? Oh,
You don't have to shout anybody
is
out.
that for anemonas? Anemas? How do you say that? Enema?
Enema?
You
That's
flush your asshole out with that
That's
stuff.
the thing that goes up your butt, bro. Look how high up this is.
Oh shit.
I don't even think we're getting these wheels on when it's in the air like this.
Oh my god.
What the?
How the? Oh no. We can raise the control arm with this. Yeah, don't hire me actually. I'm probably gonna fuck your car up.
Once we bolt this in, this bitch is going to be up here.
Oh no. You know what? You just loosen it and then we're gonna measure out and then do it to the other coilover. Oh Jesus.
Alright, we're doing this till the thing pops off the fucking body, boys.
This is pretty close to how it was stock now, isn't it? Because that's a solid.
Whatever it is, it's gonna fit. So
I mean, if I'm thinking about how long my dick is, that's probably about 2 inches there.
Yeah, it's longer.
Fuck you think I am, goddamn frog? Think I'm Tyler Bandcamp? Let's do 1.5 inches down on the other side then.
Yep.
Too.
Bro, these ain't even the extreme lows. The max drop height I can do on these coilovers is 4.5 fucking inches, bro. That's insane. Oh wait,
we're good. This is perfect. I mean, it's gonna be tucking the tire.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I'll adjust it tomorrow. We'll just do it tomorrow morning.
We gotta go real quick. We're gonna try to get this thing on, and we'll update you when we get it on. All right, problem solved. So we had to jack it up a tiny bit. This is pretty fucking usual for every other coilover install people do. So these things are loose enough and they have enough travel to where it's not going to raise your car off the jack stands too much, so you can do it without worrying too much, but still check underneath. So we're good.
Lessons by Nolan.
Shut the fuck up, Scott. I'm punching your fucking dick. Okay. Just jack it up and have your buddy fucking flex this thing until it moves in. It goes in between. It's not hard. Put the bolt in all the way through. It's a long ass bolt. Get the lock washer on. Don't forget. Oh, you haven't even put it on yet.
No, I'm still trying to get this bolt on. I'm just threading it through the tube. Damn, just look at the coilover though. Look how clean it is.
Oh, dude.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. I think. I don't know.
It's just not. I just licked this thing.
I can't see it. I think the camera can, but I fucking can't.
Definitely can't.
Oh, I'm tired now. Okay, so coilover's in. We gotta do the brake line pretty soon, but that's fine for right now. But these are down to 80 pounds, and these are down to 25 pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, I suggest getting one at Harbor Freight. They're cheap as fuck.
That was $40, the torque wrench we used.
That one right there. It's good shit. Let's not fuck up the other side, because that would have been a stupid ass mistake if you actually thought it was gonna be for toe adjustment. Like, no, it's not.
I said caster. If you put it sideways, it would have been caster.
Oh yeah, caster. I mean, it's camber. Caster is adjusted from the base.
Whatever. Wash your hands, you dirty ass.
I'm gonna put his car in fucking cinder blocks, I swear to God. Ooh, got one of those great cuticle cuts. That feels fan-fucking-tastic. Gotta love it. Alright, we're done. I'm dirty. We're gonna go drink some Arizona or something. Maybe some energy drinks, and then we're gonna tackle the other side. Yeah, we'll get back.
What's up?
Yeah.
I look like a fucking retard. What the fuck? Oh, some crazy person on the sidewalk. Oh, I'm sagging, bro. Just make me a blood or a crep. I don't know.
I'm signing a pact to wake up. at 4 in the afternoon tomorrow by drinking this energy drink.
We gotta walk back to the house, and then we're gonna do the other side. It's late. What the fuck are you doing, lady?
I don't even see her, man.
Jesus.
I'm kind of scared.
I'm kind of scared too. She sounds like a goddamn leprechaun or something. All right, let's get her done. Let's go home.
Don't watch out for the dead animals.
Dead animals everywhere. Right. We are doing the same thing to the other side now. Joey hasn't seen us in a few minutes. I think we're okay for a little while.
Yo, give me a pipe.
Dude, are these stock brake ducts? Oh my god. Yes, they are. That's cool. Yes, that is.
Nice.
They feed into the wheel wells. Come
You
through.
gotta keep them tires cool when you're drifting.
You gotta keep. Fucking stay down. Prime example of double taken.
Little India dip twist.
Little Indian dick twist, yeah. Oh, dude, you scratched the shit out of your fucking fender, though.
Innovation that excites.
Bro, Mazda.
This paint's already fucked.
It is now 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. in the morning.
Late night hours.
Bro, it's only afternoon. Like, we're fine. Like, honestly.
2 a.m. or 2 p.m., you know? Who's keeping track?
I don't
You know
know.
what? In Japan, it's 3 p.m. right now, so...
Yeah, so really it's just it's like almost happy hour.
This is a Japanese car, so...
That's how it works.
This car is on Japanese time.
Yeah, we got this undone. Holy balls, it's rusty. We have a whole mess of tools here. Oh, let's get my white shirt.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
You're right.
Oh, fucking Joey! There he is. Hey, Joey. He's probably gonna fuck your ass tonight. You won't even know it.
Gladly.
That ghostly dick is gonna mold to your ass cheeks. I just have to start calling him Isaac. Because Isaac fucks.
Oh yeah, fuck. Isaac fucks.
Here's the thing you don't know
guys.
about your daddy. Your daddy doesn't just have sex. Your daddy fucks. Alright, fronts are in.
What?
The fronts are in, backs are not in. We're gonna go take it for a little drive.
Yeah,
Even though we torqued everything down the first round, it's gonna loosen up a shitload.
Yeah.
It's gonna feel fantastic.
Little dual suspension ride right there. 2 different types. The Conies and the DC Racing.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so soft in the rear.
Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna buckle way more.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go? You wanna run to like the village real quick and then
No,
back?
I want to go over the bridge because that's where I felt the blown.
Fuck the bridge. We got 2 different types of springs on this goddamn car.
I know, but that's what, I need to feel the difference in the fronts because the front left is blown. So I gotta feel the difference now.
I think I'm gonna change my shirt too.
Yep. Look at this. That's my work shirt, you know.
That's your.
Is to go even further beyond.
Fuck was that? Bro, your kneecaps are dirty. You've been sucking too much dick.
Damn.
That's the journey of going through and putting in some coilovers just for the fronts. That took about, I mean, if you don't include the time we were just dicking around, it's about hour and a half or so. Not bad. You can do it yourself. As long as you got some tools laying around. Pop should have them. Pretty solid. See you later.